Good day, sir. I am Ronelo Haro, BSCS2A. Today, I will discuss about Lab 4, which is aggregate functions and group by. An aggregate function is a function that performs a calculation on a set of values and returns a single value. Aggregate functions are often used with the group by clause of the select statement. The group by clause splits the result set into groups of values, and the aggregate function can be used to return a single value for each group. The first SQL query is select AVG salary or average salary from employees. This calculates and returns the average salary of all employees in the employees table. The average function calculates the arithmetic mean of the numeric values in the salary column, ignoring any noun entries. The select keyword specifies that if you want to retrieve the data from the database. And the AVG salary or the average salary, this is an aggregate function, calculates the average of a numeric column. In this case, it's calculating the average of the salary column. And from employees, this specifies that the data should be retrieved from the employees table. In essence, the query returns a single number representing the average salary of all employees listed in employees table. And when we run the program, this is the output. The second query is select DIP code or department code count employee ID from employees where DIP code or department code is not null. Group by DIP code or department code. This SQL query counts the number of employees for each department, excluding departments with null DIP code values. The select DIP code count employee ID specifies that if you want to retrieve the department code and the count of employees for each department, the count employee ID function counts the number of non-null employee ID values within each group. And the from employees is indicate that you are retrieving data from the employees table. And where DIP code is not null, this filter the data to include only employees who have non-null department code. This ensures that departments with null DIP code values are excluded from the count. And the group by DIP code, this groups the result by the DIP code so that the count function is applied separately for each unique department code. When we run the program, this is the output. Again, I am Ronelo Haro, BSCS2A.